A shirt that costs $54.99 is on a 30% off sale today. So from here we can see that the regular price of the shirt is $54.99. But today there is a 30% off sale. So the cost of the shirt today will be, let's say, 100 minus 30, which is equal to 70% off the regular price. So that's what it's going to sell for today. 70% off $54.99. So the sale price is going to be equal to 70% off $54.99. So that's equal to, so the sale price is equal to 0.70 off. So when we say percent off the whole, we change the off to multiplication when we do calculations. 54.99. So it's only going to be 70% of the regular price, which is $54.99. So using our calculators, we get 38.493, and we round it to 2 decimal places because it's a dollar amount. So what we have here is $38.49. So a shirt that costs $54.99 will cost us only $38.49 when there is a 30% off sale. Now let's look at the second question. So here we have a tie that is on a 45% off sale. So here we're going to get a 45% off of the regular price. So a tie that is on sale costs $24.99. So this is the sale price. So when we read the sentence carefully, we see that this is the sale price. So 100 minus 45 is equal to 55%. So 55% off the regular price is the sale price. So let's convert this sentence into an equation. So 0.55 of a percent of the whole would be 0.55, that's the percent in the decimal form, times the regular price. Now here in this question, we do not know what the regular price is. It's a little different from the previous one. So let's call it X is equal to the sale price, which is given, which is equal to $24.99. We need to get X by itself. Since 0.55 is multiplied to X, we divide both sides by 0.55 to solve for X. The 0.55 in the numerator cancels with the 0.55 in the denominator, and we get X equals, so using our calculator, we get $45.44. So if a tie costs $45.44, so $45.44, then a 45% off of that amount would be the sale price. So if you take off 45%, it would then cost us $24.99. So in these problems, we have to be careful about what's given to us. In problem A, the regular price was given to us, so that was pretty straightforward. But in the second problem, the sale price was given to us. So that's where we need to set up an equation. And this would be the best way to think about it. Write it as a sentence first, and then convert it into an equation.